Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat camera quality on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Snapchat app. And once you're inside here, tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. And once you're there, all you gotta do is tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. And once you're inside your settings page, scroll down and then you'll have clear data option under privacy controls. Simply tap on that, and once you're here, all you gotta do is simply clear cache option on the bottom, tap on it and then tap on clear. And once you do this, the next thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, go to general, then tap on iPhone storage inside general. And once you're inside here, scroll down and then tap on Snapchat. And once you tap on Snapchat here, all you gotta do is tap on offload app. And what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once that process is complete, tap on delete app. And once that process is complete, what you need to do is try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in Snapchat, and we'll tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating the app will probably fix the issue. And that's basically how to fix Snapchat camera quality on iPhone 11. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.